Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to screen record on laptop. Firstly, press Windows plus L to open settings. Go to Gaming, then Captures. In Windows 10 or 11 the options may differ slightly, but the basic settings are the same. Just enable record in background while I'm playing a game, or on Windows 11 enable record what happened. Set the duration for background recording 15 seconds to 10 minutes. Then check the boxes for record even when my PC isn't plugged in, or record while wirelessly projecting my screen. Click the drop down next to max recording length. Choose from 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours or 4 hours. And turn on record audio when I record a game. Set the audio quality and adjust the recording volume for your microphone and PC. Recommended frame rate is 30 FPS and set video quality to standard or high. Turn off capture mouse cursor when recording a game if necessary. And that's it guys. Press Windows plus G to open the game bar, click the record button and press Windows plus Alt plus R. The recording will start and you'll see a timer on the screen. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.